Hello students of class 6, welcome to the physical science video, and this video is for the rock and minerals, and this is the part 2. And today I will continue with it. In the previous day I discussed about the igneous rock, and today I will discuss about the sedimentary rock. Okay. So as the name suggests, sediment means layers. Okay. So the sedimentary rocks are also formed by the layers. Like rocks that are formed, let me give you the definition. Rocks that are formed through the layer-wise deposition and solidification of sediments, especially sediments transported by water, like by river, you can say by lakes, like oceans, also by glaciers, and also by veins over a long time span called the sedimentary rock. So the sedimentary rock can be formed by the help of the water or water flow, also by the glaciers, veins, and for over a long time. Okay, so what is the formation procedure of it? Like sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of subsequent cementation of the sediment within the bodies of water like seas, lakes, as I told you. The sediments are usually the broken rock fragments derived from the primary igneous salt. From the igneous rock it came, and it is the broken part of them, and it flowed by this river or these glaciers and the veins and formed the sedimentary rock. Okay, so when the sedimentation continues, the older rock layers became buried deeper, and over a long period, due to this increase in heat and pressure and this overloading of the sediments, the underlying sediments are getting compacted, okay, and cemented like the cemented particles and form the sedimentary rock. And also the new term that we can find the petrified fossils on it. Fossils. So let me give you some examples of the sedimentary rocks, like the sandstones, like the limestone, and shell, etc. Okay, these are the examples of this sedimentary rock. So the sedimentary rocks are deposited in layers at straight, and they extensively cover the Earth's current land surface. These rocks exist as a thin sheet over the Earth crust, okay, and consisting mainly the igneous and metamorphic rocks. So from the igneous salt, the sedimentary rocks are formed, and now you will see that from the sedimentary rocks, the metamorphic rocks will form. So the next term is the metamorphic rock. Okay. I'm rubbing this part. Wait for a while. So the next is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock. So what is the definition of the metamorphic rock? Metamorphic rock is a type of rock that is formed when the igneous or the sedimentary rock transform or change physically or chemically due to the high pressure and heat. Okay, so you can understand that what is the causes of forming the metamorphic rock. That metamorphic rock is produced from the igneous and the sedimentary rocks only, being formed in this metamorphic rock because of the some chemical functions and the physical pressure, etc. Okay, so like this, examples of this metamorphic rock, let me give you some. Like the gneiss is formed from the granite. You know the granite is an ignite, and it will form gneiss, which is a metamorphic rock for the long time physical pressure and the chemical changes. Next, second, the marble transformed from limestone. The same manner happened. Next, the slate transformed from shell. You know the shell and limestone sedimentary rock. Okay, so the metamorphic rocks are of two types: foliated or layered, and second is non-foliated or non-layered. The two are foliated and non-foliated. And this is enough for this metamorphic rocks. In the next video, we were going to discuss about the minerals and ore and how we can get out the metals extracted from. Till then, thank you.